my name is Joey Accardo. I'm the Technical Manager for Epiroc Surface and Exploration Drilling in the US. And I'd like to discuss the differences between the hole length option and hole depth option on the Epiroc SmartROC drills. When utilizing the hole length option, we are looking at measuring how long the drill string protrudes from the drill and not taking into account any kind of angle. When we use the hole depth option, if we were to drill, let's say, a 30-degree angle hole, this is going to be a much longer hole or much longer bore hole that is drilled, but the bench height will remain the same. So in these two cases, this bench height is the same. However, we need to set the depth counter based on how we want to measure. If the blaster or driller are doing the math required to calculate on an angle hole, we would not want to select the hole depth option, instead the hole length option. But if we add an ad hoc 10-degree or 15-degree angle hole and expect to maintain the same bench height, we can utilize the drill to do the math by selecting the hole depth option. As always, if you have any questions about any feature on an Epiroc drill, feel free to reach out to one of our Epiroc service centers or distributor partners.